In this video, we are going to learn about attributes of an entrepreneur. This is for section C3, entrepreneurial skills. Okay, in this lesson, we will learn the difference between the attitude of an entrepreneur and an employee. First, let us see what do you mean by attitude? Attitude means what? The meaning of attitude is one's tendency to respond in a certain way towards a certain idea, object, person, or situation. That means what? Attitudes is the person tendency, okay, to reply to an object, person, or an idea. The entrepreneur attitude affects his choice of an action. Okay, entrepreneur affects his choice of an action. Okay, next let us see difference between the attitude of an entrepreneur and employees. Okay, so first attitude is what? Belief in self. Okay, belief in self. Okay, entrepreneur, when an entrepreneur start a new business, there are a few people who might support them. There are few people who might support them. That means when an entrepreneur start a new business, there might be only little persons who might support. Okay, so there is no manager or boss who would encourage or support when things get difficult. So there will be no boss who support him and coordinate him. Therefore, an entrepreneur believes himself and face any challenge face to face and face any challenge face to face. Okay, so entrepreneur, when an entrepreneur start a new business, there might be only little persons who might support. Okay, there will be no boss and who support him. Okay, no coordinates him. Then employees means an entrepreneur usually is managed by someone who helps him or her and support him or her when he or she starts the job. That means an employee is usually managed under someone. Okay, he or she also gets support from them when the things get difficult. He or she is also trying to do the job also. Okay, next attitude is what? Customer focus. Entrepreneur role. An entrepreneur is responsible for ensuring that the business they are doing adds value to the customer. The responsibility of delivering good quality products or services to this customer is the most important part of the entrepreneurship. That means an entrepreneur is responsible for ensuring that the business they are doing adds value to the customer. At the same time, delivering good and quality products to the customer is the most important thing. Here, most of the important thing is what? Delivering goods and quality products to the customer. It is also his duty. It is also his duty to run the business by the following rules and regulations. Okay, here employee attitude is what? An employee deliver on the goals get set by the company. Not all employees of a company work towards serving the needs of the customer directly. An employee work with the goals set by the company. Okay, set by the company. Not every employee fulfill the customer's needs and pay attention to them. Okay, so next role is what? Decision making and responsibility. Okay, next attitude is what? Decision making and responsibility. Here entrepreneur decide the kind of work. Okay, decide the kind of work they will do and how they will do it. Okay, themselves make decisions and work towards completing the work. Usually, that means the entrepreneur himself decides all the decisions independently. Okay, that meaning is what? The entrepreneur himself decides all the decisions independently. Okay, employees, usually a manager or the boss make the decisions for employees. Okay, usually the decisions are taken by the boss. Okay, usually the decisions are taken by the boss. Employee only decides how they finish the given work. Okay, how they finish the given work, but the work they do and time they take is set by the boss. Okay, the work they do and time they take is set by the boss. Okay, next attitude is what? Believe the environment the change. Believe the environment change. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur usually work in an unknown environment. Okay, so where they do not know what will happen after they start something new. Okay, so entrepreneur start their business is in unknown environment. At the same time, they do not know about that product in that environment. Therefore, they need to be positive and believe that their environment will change. Employees. An entrepreneur job is focused internally and it not usually affected by the outside environment. Okay, job is focused only internally. Okay, not usually affected by the outside environment. Wait, reading the story. Here two stories are given. Let us see a story about Subahi, the entrepreneur, and Akash, the employee, and find the difference between their values and attitudes. Okay, Surabhi, the painter. Okay, so let us see story. Surabhi always liked to do painting, so she thought of making painting and sell them. Okay, your thought is what? Making painting and sell them. First, she made some paintings. Okay, first she made some paintings and sold it to her friends. Okay, and sold it to her friends. Her friends liked it and asked herself more. Okay, so she first went to the public and asked what they want the painting to be like so as to know the taste and paint according to it. Now she have a art studio where people come to learn about painting in free time. She also shoots exhibitions for her paintings. Okay, so next story is what? Akash. Okay, Akash, the employee, work at an art supply shop. Okay, his work is to arrange brushes, colors, and different sleeves. Okay, customer comes to him and ask for what they want. He directs them to particular place and ask them to pay in the cash counter for what they purchase. Okay, his boss pays him according to the work be done monthly. Okay, so here you can understood Surabhi the painter, he is the customer, she is the customer, she only full responsible for that entrepreneur, that means business. Okay, but Akash is an employee, he's work and one shop. Okay, here owner is who? Boss. Okay, I think if you know about the difference between Surabhi and then Akash, that means employee and then entrepreneur.